How to change your account name on PayPal, or how to change your PayPal account name. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your PayPal name. Now I'll show you through the browser due to the recording issue on the app itself. So here, as you can see, I've logged into the browser. Here on the browser I've logged into my PayPal account. You'll get an interface like this. Now tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top left corner of your screen. And then you can see the settings icon just beside the logout option there above your profile username. Tap on the settings icon, and once it loads up, you can see your account option here. Under account option, just beside your username, you can see the option change name. Simply tap on change name option, and here choose a reason for changing your name. You can choose using a legal name after marriage, a divorce, or updating your name, or making a minor correction, or anyone. And then click on next, and you'll be able to change it from here, and type in your name and simply check and continue, and your name will be changed. So this way you can change your name on the PayPal account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.